say something?
Hey, Arnold. Want to sing? Okay.
Can I say something?
You ready? You ready?
Okay.
You ready, Mommy?
Yes, I'm ready, baby.
Wait, should
You
we be
ready,
sitting?
Arnold?
Should we be sitting?
Well, happy
Happy birthday. Sing it,
Yes.
baby. Happy birthday.
I need for my birthday weekend. I need to do something. It's my birthday.
Okay. You want me to put it on you like a spotlight? Should I shine the light on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm going to show you on the...
Oh. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. I need to go.
You gonna? Well, wait. Who's gonna sing? Who's gonna sing, Jr.?
No, hold on. I need to put on it. On my birthday. I need to put on my birthday. It's going to be hot. It's very hot.
Is it?
Yeah. No, touch it, Daddy.
Okay, I won't.
Come and touch it.
But you said it was hot.
Come and touch it.
Okay. What if it's too hot? Is it gonna hurt me?
Yeah. Then touch it. Touch it. Then touch it.
Should I blow on it first?
Don't blow it. Don't blow it.
Oh, we do?
It's gonna...
Oh, that's hot. Oh, here, kiss my finger. It's hot. Thank you.
Warm.
Thank you.
Ew. It's just my birthday cake. It's just my birthday cake. No, I mean, sing happy birthday. I need to sing happy birthday.
Sing
For a
up.
minute.
Are you ready?
Hold on. It's still hot some more. It's maybe so hot up here. Oops. It's still hot more.
Come on, baby. You got to sing the song already.
Well, happy birthday to you.
Good job.
Happy birthday. I'm gonna blow candles.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Good
You
job.
ready for my birthday cake?
Yes. Should we cut it up?
Yes.
Okay,
Baby,
bring it
say
over here.
thank you.
Do you want to go give Ariel a piece?
Yes. Here, I got a piece. I'm gonna get some for Mom.
Thank you, baby.
Mine.
It's delicious.
I'm gonna start for you.
Thank you.
One of my bowl, my cake.
That's good.
It's me.
It's-
It's hot.
That's delicious wiffle ball cake.
It's hot.
That was yummy cake.
Daddy,
Yes.
want to check it?
No, you already had me touch the hot cake.
Want to check it too?
No, thank you. I already ate it.
Want to check it? Over there? It's still hot out there. I need to tell you bake it. Bake it on. See, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. That's that good. That's it. Ouch. It's not that
Hey, that's where Ariel sits.
Get her spot ready for her, baby.
Big up. You come.
Don't forget, you have to
I'm
cover
gonna
her.
cover. I'm
Cover
gonna
her.
cover you. I'm gonna cover you. I'm gonna cover you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna cover. Cover you.
Good job, son.
I'm gonna cover your feet. There you go. Your face
Is she all covered?
is all covered. I got her. I'll cover her feet.
Oh.
Come here. Come here. Just there. I'm done. I'm gonna fix my cake. I'm gonna fix my cake. I'm gonna cut it.
Good job. How many pieces did you cut it into? How many?
No, I need to stick it. I need that. I need to stick it.
Hmm.
My cake fall down. It's make it hot.
How much can this one record?
Try this. My toe hurt.
Did it fall on your toe?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Shake it off.
You ready for my birthday cake?
I am.
You ready, Mommy?
I am ready.
You ready, Aaron?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready to sing?
Yes. You count to 3 and we'll sing.
What? We not have birthday. Yes, sir.
What are we gonna sing?
Have birthday.
Okay.
You ready, Aaron?
You want to start us?
You ready, Dina? You ready? Matthew is ready too. Please get ready.
Who's that?
He is ready.
Pinky's ready.
Yes. Is that his toes?
His paws.
He's got paws on his feet. Right here? Right. Stop.
Be gentle, Jared.
There you go. Good job, son.
Give me scratch him. Give me scratch his back. His itchy. His teeth. His teeth. His knees, his back. His wash. His knee wash. His back.
You already took a bath.
His one wash. His wash his ears. His wash his ears and that's as new. He say his ears. His face not clean. Is that his top?
Jared, gentle baby.
Boom,
You gonna give Rafiki a hug?
boom.
Oh, how cute.
Is that his nose? Is that Dina's nose? Is that new nose? Is that Matthew's nose?
Mm-hmm.
His nose?
Where's JR's nose?
Right here. Is
Where-
that your nose?
Where's JR's ears?
Right here. Is that your ears?
Yes, right here.
Is
Where's
that Mommy's?
Where's JR's forehead?
Right here.
Very good. Where's JR's belly button?
This one. I will show you, baby.
No! No! Where's JR's beep beeps?
We're here.
Where's your beep beeps?
We're here.
Right that's your belly button. Where's your beep beeps?
We'll show. Where's our yours?
No, you show me yours. Let me see. Let me see your beep beeps.
What's that Mommy's?
No, 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 no.
What's your Arrows?
No, now you're
No,
just being
no.
goofy.
What's your Arrows, baby? Oh, it's your baby.
No. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you.
Jared.
Tickle, tickle. Hey, JR. JR, where's your knees?
Oh, goodness.
Where's your knees?
We're here.
Right.
Where's
Where?
your right foot?
We're here.
And where's your other right foot?
We're here.
There you go. Where's your left foot? Where's your left foot?
No.
Where?
We're here.
What?
It's this one.
Is what?
It's this one. No, red.
What is that?
It's the right hand. I want to you, baby.
Okay, wait. Look at mommy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.